here. And bali continuation lang to nung nakaraang video ko about guitar effects pedalboard. So try lang natin with and without the effects. So first, punta tayo sa nasa simula ng aking pedal chain. May Coco mini compressor pedal. Without the effects. With the effect. So napansin nyo, nag-even out yung tunog ng bawat strings. Next is may underwear transparent overdrive. So mostly for boosting ko lang talaga to. Without the effects. With the effect. After that, ay dito na tayo sa ating tuner, ang Rowan. Tuner ng Rowan. So, when you switch this on, so, pwede ka na magtono. Hindi na makikinig ng ibang tao. So, when you switch this on again, yun, gagana na ulit yung mga effects mo. After this is this Kaline volume wah pedal. So mostly volume ko lang talaga ginagamit yan for swellings. So try natin ng konti. So yun, mostly ganun lang talagang gamit ko dyan. After that is going to this pack echo delay pedal. So without the effects, with the effects, so yan, nagkaroon siya ng konting delay. After that pack echo, punta tayo sa kapatid, the pack verb. So without the effect, with the effects, so nagkakaroon ng konting ambience yung tunog mo. Lastly, sa ating pedalboard chain is this Amon again, nano looper pedal. So try lang natin mag-loop ng mabilis lang. So pag pinindot mo, magpi-playback lang siya. So yan, again, all of this effects pedal ay powered by this Vitus ISO 8. And I'm using this pedal board of, again, Amun. So for more detailed na discussion about dito sa mga effects ko, comment lang kayo kung alin dyan yung gusto nyong pag-usapan natin next time. So yun lang, thank you.